It's not looking very good out.
We'll see what happens. Maybe it'll pass over.
I thought I heard something. It was so loud.
You hit it too, or you heard it bang?
I heard the air coming out from. Is this the first time you're using this?
Like off-road, yeah. It's sat in that thing for like 3 years and I've never had an opportunity to use it.
That one's like 500. I wonder if you can.
Alright, we made it pretty much at the end of this trail here. There's a little bit more to go on, but I think in the winter you can get further down that way. So we're gonna set up a little bit of a little lunch spot here and grab a drink and just hang out for a bit. It's a really nice day out. A little bit windy, but it's really nice. The Tacoma handled it really good so far. Didn't get as dirty though. You guys are gonna make fun of me. It needs to get dirty, right?
Hey, it shows me. Rack it up, I got a bit of the bank to make me a safe house. Shake it up, she got her hands on her knees and she bringing the cake out. Smoke it up, I got some gas and packs, I'm up in the greenhouse. Ball it up, I'm with the gang, we taking shots off the rebound. Fucking my posters, say now, I've been humble too long, yeah. Tell them all to stay calm, yeah. Tell them all to move on, yeah. Fucking my posters, say now, they be lost in the sauce, yeah. Took a loss, that's your loss, yeah. Had to get my point across, yeah.